In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to defer JavaScript and optimize load in Dreamweaver. Let's begin by opening Dreamweaver. This is your starting point for any web development project. If you're new to Dreamweaver, it's an intuitive platform that integrates both design and code views. Once Dreamweaver is open, you'll want to open the HTML page you're working on. This is where we will make the necessary changes to defer your JavaScript. Now click on Split View. This allows you to see both the code and the design layout simultaneously. It's a helpful feature because it gives you a visual confirmation of the changes you make in the code. With Split View active, you can easily navigate between the code and how it appears on the page. At this point, you need to locate your JavaScript file in the code. Look for the line that reads script source equals quote script.js quote end script. This is the line where your JavaScript file is being called into your HTML document. It's important to be precise here because any mistakes could prevent your JavaScript from functioning correctly. Next, add the defer attribute to this script tag. It should now read script source equals quote script.js quote defer end script. This small addition has a big impact. The defer attribute ensures that your script is executed after the HTML has been fully parsed. This is crucial because it optimizes the load time of your page, improving user experience. After adding the defer attribute, don't forget to save the file. Saving your changes is essential as it records the modifications you've made. Without saving, you'll lose your work and the changes won't take effect. So, always make it a habit to save frequently. With your file saved, it's time to see these changes in action. Click on Live View or simply press F12. This will render the page as it would appear in a web browser. Watching the live view allows you to verify that the page loads correctly and that the JavaScript runs as expected. You should notice that the page content loads before the JavaScript executes. This order of operations is key because it ensures that users don't have to wait for scripts to load before viewing the content. This deferral can significantly enhance the performance of your website, especially on slower connections. And there you have it. By deferring your JavaScript, you've optimized your page load time, providing a smoother experience for your users. Remember, optimizing load time is not just about speed, it's also about delivering a seamless experience that keeps visitors engaged. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating faster, more efficient web pages in Dreamweaver. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Until next time, happy coding!